Ah, t'es un tueur, le ref. Wesh. Ouais, j'ai dit, je... Attends, pourquoi il est pas prêt? Ouais. Petite session d'une heure ou deux, là, de Club Pro. Attends, faut que j'aille voir Claude, ce qu'il a foutu. Ça dit quoi? Ça joue avec le pro. Ça joue avec le pro, les amis, les enfants. Bon, je vais grave... Ça va grave jouer avec le pro, là.
Mouth-watering game here, a clash that has got the fans revved up and ready to play their part in adding. Welcome to the world-famous and historic Parc des Princes. I'm your commentator Guy Mowbray, delighted to be in the company of Stuart Robson.
J'ai mis mes playstyle là.
Building up nicely, what a match this promises to be. What can we expect from the game then?
Putain, t'es mal gardien, il commence à sortir.
Both teams have a good game plan. Both teams can be physical and
Putain,
both
le
teams
gardien
have
commence déjà à
creative
faire un
players.
truc de fils de
It could
pute
be a
là, ça
case of
m'énerve.
who wants it more.
All a bit chaotic this.
Well, I'm not seeing too much quality out there at the moment.
Well, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. Lovely setup.
J'espère qu'il t'a vu. J'espère qu'il t'a vu, dommage, bien joué. C'est bien joué, gros. Ils ont des fournisseurs chinois, gentlemen, comment tu sais?
And it's been cut out. There's the turnover.
En tout cas, moi, j'ai donné aucun contact. Oh non, putain, mais regardez.
Hard work brings reward. They've got the ball. Beautifully weighted ball.
Un nouveau machinerie avec Made in China. Après, avoir les contacts, c'est bien. Il faut avoir l'expertise.
Now, can he get the cross in? Oh, brilliant anticipation.
Yeah, that's the way to win the ball back. Good reading of the game.
Really good pass. And the defender left behind. Oh, it's a superb reaction to win the ball this time.
Ça va quoi, les mecs?
Teeing up the chance now. Oh, that's really well cut out.
Allez,
Nice vision in that pass.
Fais-toi plaisir.
And the defender in the right place to stop it. Deflection takes it out. Throw in. And the cross is blocked. The deflection sends it out. Throw in.
Part en jeu.
Now to deliver a good ball in. It's nice possession. Is there a goal to take the lead coming? Well, nothing to get excited about at the end of it.
Il se déplace pas beaucoup dans notre équipe, c'est relou.
Having a go. Oh, that's a great block. And it's opened up. All turned onto the post. Well read to gain possession.
Allez. Ah, peut-être s'il la perd.
Unable to find anyone with that. decent, making progress here. And that is a quality bit of goalkeeping. Well, nobody close. Time to go to work. This
Il a
has
passe
to
D.
be.
Dommage.
And it's a good diving save, although one you'd expect to be made.
Dommage. T'as vu la match Claude de TDS Fusion qui peut confectionner des claviers,
Really
etc.
good interception to
Non,
take
j'ai
the
pas vu.
ball.
Comment ça, confectionner des claviers, j'ai
And
pas
that will
compris.
do it for the first half here at the Parc des Princes.
Comment ça, des claviers? Les gars, Agile AMG, je vous ai dit. Vous aviez douté. J'ai dit cette année, je me donne à fond et l'année prochaine, je vois. Si j'ai assez coffré, je streamerai quasiment plus. Ouais, on va suivre les VO au Japon, mais je suis curieux de savoir la diffusion. Ça m'intéresse. Vraiment, la diffusion, qui est-ce qui diffuse, qui est-ce qui a eu les droits cette année de l'Evo au Japon me surprend. Que MGG, si je vois des gens, je vois un peu tout le monde avoir les droits. Nous, Belek, on va
And the
tester.
second half is underway.
Donne.
Oh, the keenest of reflexes.
Yeah,
Non,
what a
streamez-vous au Japon,
remarkable
non.
save. He was so alert
La
there.
And here it comes. Good
Ah, dommage.
build-up,
Oh, la passe
but
dès que
not
j'allais
quite
envoyer
the
là.
end product. This is lovely football, moving defenders around.
Eh, vous avez vu le football que je propose là quand même?
To take the lead. Holds it steady, no worries there.
Pour toi, ma gueule.
Now,
Bien joué,
here's an
Bakugo. Bien
invitation.
joué,
And
Bakugo.
he's through
Bien
there.
joué, mon gars.
Oh,
Dommage.
sensational from the goalkeeper.
Dommage,
There's not
dommage. Bien joué,
much you can say
Bakugo.
about that.
Oh, la
It's
passe,
just
ça m'a
a
plu.
breathtaking stop, isn't it?
Le projet.
Corner taken. Took one for
Non,
the
il est
team
gourmand.
there.
Ma gueule, t'es gourmand, frère. Non, gros.
Oh,
Oh,
what a
oh.
chance. Oh, what a
Faut
stop.
tirer
Dealt
l'autre,
with
faut
that
tirer
superbly.
sur l'autre poteau.
Corner kick played in. Well, a bit of a disappointing end to the attack.
Oh, pardon.
Able to get a glove to it. They might get caught on the break here. Now
Huh?
this could lead to something. And cleared well away from goal.
Voilà, tu pars, mon pote. Non,
And a
mais c'est
firm grip
mou,
kept
c'est
on the ball.
mou. C'est mou, wesh. Putain. Putain, j'ai valé le tif, là.
There's a bit of belief in this move.
Vite.
And it's on now. And it's
Oh,
hit
no.
the bar. It stops there, nothing at the end of it. And it's been given as offside. That's crossed the line, it'll be a throw. Oh, terrific, see you later. That was a really
Cote,
good
mon
spot.
pote, hein.
Yeah, that was a good
Non,
interception.
faut direct la donner. Faut direct la donner, putain.
Promising attack halted.
Ouais, je veux Kugo. Kiki. Allez.
Looking to
Attention.
cut inside.
Oh, en jeu.
Oh, the flag's up. That will be
Re.
offside.
Qui contrôle l'équipe là? Il y a Son Père qui contrôle.
Weighted beautifully.
Oh, Oh, wesh, mon Smith, il n'est pas passé. Ça existe, ouais, ça existe les paris sportifs sur eSport.
Here we go.
Non, mais c'est pas le moment de tu vas faire tes contrôles, là.
Perfectly executed.
Mais ça existe.
This next goal
Ça existe, mais
this
pas en
time.
Europe.
Could this be it? And stopped in their tracks with a change in possession. Pass played through perfectly. A brilliant stop to keep things all
Putain, ça
square.
choque.
What a brilliant save, and it's such a pivotal moment.
Non, mais frère, tu
Great
demandes à...
instinct
Oh,
there to
putain,
cut it
les
out.
gars.
They found a way through. It was a decent attempt.
Tu penses
The
que les
wait for a
mauvais
goal
moves de
goes
PlayStation
on.
peuvent donner une grande... Non,
Those are
c'est
the
bon.
moments you need a bit of luck.
Parce que les moves de Xbox sont pas fous non plus, quoi. Ils sont bien, mais c'est pas des trucs qui vont faire que les gens vont dire ouais, vas-y, change.
This looks too easy. It looks far too easy. And a big save to keep the scores level.
Yeah, good save, wasn't it? Keeps them in the game, that's for sure.
And the whistle sounds.
Ah, vas-y, si tu veux. Vas-y. Je t'ajoute après. Entre nous. Non, t'es dur, ça va. Il a juste fait une mauvaise passe. Il joue pas mal. Tu penses que ça peut bien se développer en Europe? De quoi? Les paris sportifs? Non. En Europe, ils vont faire plein de lois pour que ça passe pas et tant mieux. En vrai de vrai, c'est vaut mieux pas. Moi, je veux pas que ça.
After both coaches have had their say,
Les
will
joueurs
we see a
sportifs, déjà, ils sont
winner
pas
here in extra
payés des
time?
fortunes. Il y aura trop de
That's not a
corruption.
bad
C'est
looking
fou.
ball. There's a chance for the breakaway here. Beautifully weighted ball. Now this has to be.
Oh, sa
Oh, he's
mère!
kept it out.
Yeah, he looked so imposing there, didn't he? Great save.
Ouais, j'ai regardé le match, ouais.
It's played in now. Well,
Oh,
she
je
got
l'ai
ahead
rentré.
to it, but has missed
Ouais, c'était fort.
horribly. Poor effort.
Those stats really do paint the picture.
Non, les paris sportifs,
so
t'es
many
fou, frère.
chances,
Faut pas que ça
but yet
arrive.
little end product. But surely the breakthrough's coming.
Une passe de merde encore de l'ordi. C'est fou. Déjà, les gens ne sont pas payés des masses. Il y aura trop, tu peux trop avoir de la corruption, des machins comme ça et tout. Non, c'est fou. Demain.
Maybe an opportunity to get their nose
Vas-y,
in
gros.
front with this corner.
Non, c'est fou,
Ball comes in.
En plus, il y a déjà eu des cas de corruption
And it's saved and
en Asie et
out.
tout. Putain, personne ne récupère.
That's a good pass. Served through on a plate here, and that's a shame for them, but top marks for the defending.
Vas-y, frère.
The first 15 minutes of extra time are over.
Ouais, j'ai fini Persona. Non, c'est trop une mauvaise idée. Mettre des paris sportifs dans les sports, c'est trop une mauvaise idée. C'est une très très mauvaise idée. Déjà, moi, je voudrais qu'il y ait des contrôles antidopage. Parce qu'on me fasse pas croire qu'il n'y a pas de joueurs qui tentent de se doper. Arrête, c'est beaucoup demandé, quoi.
Really nicely played. What can they do with this now?
Ah putain.
Pass was read and the ball has changed hands.
Bien vu.
A big area to progress into here. And it's opened
Ah,
up.
dommage.
A goalkeeper ready for anything. Job done. There could be a chance to win the game here. A chance not apparent yet. It's been missed, and the wait goes on for a goal.
Well, that should have been the goal this game has been missing. What an opportunity.
An attack of genuine promise developing. And the promise of something happening is over. That set up the chance.
Ah, il me tord jeu.
Been given as offside.
J'étais trop serein.
Takes it on.
Putain, il
They
casse les
shall
couilles.
not
lui.
pass.
Well, that's how to defend in those situations.
And the whistle sounds. We're going to a shootout.
XS, non. Fera pas d'XS. Ça se vend pas assez, malheureusement.
And the keeper does what he's there to do. And it's been put away. Oh, he's hit the post. Can you believe it?
Je rentre pas, hein. Pour l'instant, ça va. Allez, si le met, on est bien. Fils de
Oh,
pute,
hitting
va.
the target is one half. Missing the keeper has to be
Pardon.
the other. It's in. No messing. Good penalty. It's been
Oh,
saved.
le gardien, il est chaud. Penalty de la victoire.
In it goes to win the game. Nerves of steel.
Well, cool, composed, and really good technique. A match-winning penalty, and probably
Ah, j'ai
deserved
visé la
over the
lu-
course of the
J'ai
game.
visé la lucarne de dingue. Eh, j'ai visé la lucarne de dingue. Jamais de la vie, tu vas m'arrêter ça. Lulu. Lulu. Quoi? Pourquoi tu caches la manette? Eh, je suis un fou furieux. J'ai caché la manette. C'est un réflexe. Ça, c'est un réflexe. Ok, c'est bon, il y a des colis qui ont été livrés aujourd'hui. Les colis ont été livrés. Colissimo, quasiment tout est livré. Cacher la manette là. Putain, il y a des sacrées commandes ces derniers temps là. Ah, t'as vu, Bakugo, j'ai envoyé de dingue. C'est fini. Le t-shirt champion Evo est incroyable. Moi, c'est le meilleur t-shirt pour moi. L'Evo Champions, pour moi, c'est le meilleur. Et en termes de qualité, les t-shirts blancs sont les meilleurs, mais on va Faire step up tous les t-shirts là. On va step up. Non, vraiment, vous savez pas à quel point les SAP, elles sont en train de porter la structure. Ouais, cher, on dirait. C'est vrai, c'est vrai, c'est vrai. Mon perso, on dirait frère de. On dirait Kefren Turam. C'est vrai. Il y a des faux arts Kefren Turam, je vois ce que tu veux dire.
Welcome on what is a lovely evening for football. I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professionals' view provided by Stuart Robson. And with the atmosphere building up nicely, what a match this promises to be. What are your expectations from this?
Well, it doesn't matter how good your players are or what formation they're playing in, you have to earn the right to play. And I'm sure that would have been reiterated by both managers in the dressing room. It promises to be a really good game here.
Could be something on. Oh, look at this. And there is no missing those. An open goal for them to enjoy.
Oh, le bâtard.
So off we go at 1-0.
Bon, si on a des mecs comme ça, on va pas s'en sortir. Hein. Oh, vas-y. Oh, dommage.
No, that's superb from the defender.
Oui. Ah.
Teeing up the chance now. And it's pinched Reddy's mind there. Real opportunity. Oh, he saved it.
Oh, merci Robert pour le raid. Merci Robert pour le raid. Ah, bien joué. Oh non, putain, on se mange un but.
Denied last second.
Ah, il va tenter des trucs de ouf, lui. Dégagez.
Promising attack, but only to a point.
They didn't allow that to develop, did they? Good organisation, I would say.
Just about able to keep it in. Delivered towards the back stick.
Désolé.
And it maybe just drifted a bit offline because it's the keeper's ball.
Allez. Putain, ça part. C'est bizarre, là.
Excellent reading of the game to win the ball. Opportunity now.
Oh,
What a wonderful challenge.
Moi, j'ai ma frappe, c'est trop tard.
It's played in now. Cleared away, but not with conviction.
Oh.
Oh, super challenge. He stopped a certain goal. There's room to do something here.
En-jeu?
Just needs the composure now. Pressure mounting.
Y avait pas en-jeu?
Keeper steps up to the job.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a foutu? Bah, tant mieux pour nous, mais... Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? Wesh.
Could be setting something now. And that's where it ends, with possession lost.
Qu'est-ce? J'ai pas compris.
Lovely ball, this could lead to something.
Non, putain, mais il perd tous les ballons, lui.
Nicely played, saw the threat and stopped it.
Well, I have to say, that was a good piece of defending there.
That's a nice forward-thinking pass.
C'est pour toi. Donc Hugo, vas-y.
This could level it.
Dommage.
And he always had that covered.
Well, the stats tell you everything. The chances have been few and far between, and they haven't tested the goalkeeper anywhere near enough. If they want to get something from this game, they're going to have to improve in the final third.
The referee not happy with the challenge.
Oh, les bâtards. C'est trop méchant. Non, c'est trop méchant de faire ça. C'est trop méchant de faire ça. C'est trop méchant de faire ça. Oh, les fumiers. Ah, les bâtards. Ok. Non, c'est trop méchant. Ah, c'est méchant, putain, on avait potentiellement une belle contre-attaque, là. Une belle action, vas-y, il partait au but. Non, il a fait quelque chose contre des trucs comme ça. Putain, on n'est pas en réussite, quand même. Hein. Tu suis un peu l'actu au Mali. Ouais, j'ai vu, bien sûr, je vois. Bien sûr.
And the second half is underway. Beautifully weighted ball.
Oh,
The
dommage.
attack broken up.
Well, they've defended that really well. They look very organised there.
Il n'y a pas d'appel. Oh oui, dommage. Putain, dommage.
And there's the whistle as the ref gives a free kick.
Dommage. Oh là là, dommage.
Oh, chance! And denied by a top draw tackle. Really promising pass.
Alors,
Yeah, what a good
Putain.
ball that was.
And offside rules the assistant referee. Could be dangerous.
Oh là
And
là.
that's straightforward.
Ah, le gardien, il fait le taf, hein.
Well, the finish just lacked quality. Should have scored, really.
Allez, tu passes. Ah, dommage. Oh! In front of the babies.
It's a firm low ball in. Well, in the end, it proved
Non,
to
pas
be
aucune
right
compétition,
in the
juste entre
keeper's
quoi,
zone.
juste je monte mon pro.
Just a little untidy. And no scraps for the attackers to beat off. Hung on to the ball well.
Allez.
Time for some positive wing play now. Oh, they were getting interested there, but not anymore. Just 20
Pardon.
minutes remaining now.
On a direct intercepté.
Well, there you can see it. The hosts haven't been able to control possession, but when they have won it back in midfield areas, their counter-attacking has been excellent. They'll be happy with the way the game's going at the moment.
Oh, les bâtards! Il y avait un truc à défendre.
Working
Ouais,
hard
les
to win
matchs
it back
libres.
there.
Oh là 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 là
Now,
là là.
surely.
Non, fais attention à pique.
In the right position to cut out the pass. That's a good challenge. Out it goes. One step ahead. They've read the throw.
Well, that didn't look good, did it?
An attack of genuine promise
Ah, le
developing.
bâtard.
Oh, super challenge. He stopped a certain goal. And this could be the moment
Ah,
for
mais
a
wesh,
counter.
3 fois mes passes
It was a chance, but
à
it's gone
stopper
now.
comme ça, wesh. Voilà.
Both teams
Wesh.
guilty of giving it away here. Oh, she's beaten her marker here. Can he finish?
Mais il arrête sa course, putain, frère. Ah putain, on a perdu. J'ai même pas vu tout le temps.
Right idea, but the radar was out.
Yeah, they've got to pass it better than that.
So that will do it. A disappointing result, whichever.
Oh, le match de Ligue 1. Eh, c'est un match de Ligue 1, 16h là. Non, le gardien, il y a un truc à défendre. Ah, il se barre. Oh, le bâtard. Je suis en train de dire, ouais, le gardien, ça va, il se barre direct. Pourquoi on dirait le jeu, il a dit x10? C'est FIFA qui est devenu comme ça. Bah, je sais pas, c'est comme ça. Tu as un club, ouais. Ouais, on y va là. Eh, on peut pas le kick lui. On peut pas le kick. C'est quoi, Yos? Ah merde. Attends. Ouais, je fais peur le perso, le joueur à droite là. TSM Mathia. TSM. Oh, c'était vraiment fort. On va voir si vraiment t'es un mec de chez TSM ou t'es juste un fan de merde. Je rigole. Mais son perso fait peur. Recherche de match. T'inquiète, Johnny Nesta, il est là, il est là. On fait des bons matchs.
We've got the crowd building, the atmosphere buzzing, and all the excitement that comes with the build-up to a match like this one. What sort of game are we going to see?
C'est quoi la vente?
It's coming right up, live on EA TV. A warm welcome on what is a lovely evening for football. I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professionals' view provided by Stuart Robson. And hopefully we've got some goals and drama on the way. What can we expect
Non, en
from the
fait, je
game?
rigolais.
Yes, thanks as always. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Now, this might be promising.
Ah putain, j'avais pas de
It's
solution.
pinched, read his mind there. He's in here. And the keeper able to get there first. Struggling to keep it here. Lovely ball, this could lead to something. Well, really confident to take the shot on from there. It wasn't that far away.
That was a really clean strike. Certainly a good effort.
Ah ouais, tu savais jouer au duel avec l'ordi là?
Continues. Has to turn them
Allez.
around.
Allez, caviar pour toi, tu marques. Tu marques, voilà! Passe-D!
Oh, he's delivered.
Passe-D!
1-0.
Passe-D pour Bakugo!
Well, here's the replay, and just look how
Iniesta.
quick they break forward once they get the
Iniesta.
ball back. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Possession lost and won.
Wesh. Devant.
And played in now. It's got to be. Oh, they scored again. The game had only just restarted after the last one.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
The ball lost and gratefully received. Oh, gone for it.
Dommage.
Oh, what a really good save that was.
Mais frère, Frère, toi aussi, mets des limites sur une, toi aussi, règle tes trucs.
Great
Il
instinct
dit,
there
ouais,
to cut it out.
il vient de nous tweeter ces trucs là. Attends, pas de solution là. Pas de solution. Ouais, ils sont tous devant les buts.
Really nicely played. What can they do with this now? What a chance here! I'm afraid that's careless. And all the hassling and harrying has got them a throw-in.
Well, no surprise there.
Putain,
The hosts
lâche
have enjoyed
la
most of the
balle.
possession. Yes, they've played well when going forward, but it's been their ability to regain the ball which has made them so hard to play against here, and it makes them such a good team. It's been a brilliant performance so far.
Well, the boot could be on the other foot for a change now. Played in with that. And the momentum is lost.
Bien joué.
Moving the ball forward, hoping something might open up. That's a good ball.
Oh,
It's taken away.
putain.
Terrific.
Ouais,
And that'll do it. The end of the first.
Vous avez vu les gars,
45
Iniesta, là?
minutes here.
Vous avez vu Iniesta, tac tac. On passe, on met la balle dans le trou. Ouais, je sais pas jongler.
And the second half is underway.
Mais il revient en arrière. Tu vois, GG, il a fait son geste technique, il revient 30 mètres derrière.
This could be threatening. Promising attack, but only to a point. Beautifully weighted ball. Can he finish? And still danger here. Could get it over now. Well held, but it was played right into his zone.
Propose du jeu. Non, moi je suis pas aussi catégorie chiant. Le match de ce soir il va pas être horrible. Les gens vont forcer, mais il sera pas horrible.
Given away as cleverly won.
Frère,
That's a good pass. Oh, what a chance. And
tu vois,
further
tu me donnes la balle, direct.
Surely no throwing this one away.
Il pousse sa grand-mère, hein. Il fait le mariole, mais il pousse sa mère. Ça. Il s'enferme, il fait
So
n'importe.
it's 3-0 as the game restarts.
Oui, c'est bon.
The assistant spotting a touch there, it'll be a
Je pense que
throw.
le PSG, Bayern, je sais pas. Je suis 50-50. Le Bayern a toutes les armes pour passer, le PSG a toutes les armes pour garder le score. En vrai.
Very quickly closed down.
Tu vois, le mec là, c'est le genre de mec qui m'énerve quand je vois Claude Pro.
Brilliant anticipation.
Tu vois, il fait aucun effort pour que ça. Bon, tant mieux on gagne, hein. Mais les mecs comme ça sur Club Pro, waouh. Donne. Ah putain.
And they've got to find reverse gear now.
Eh, mais lui là, avec les cheveux longs là, putain, il est tellement nul.
A lovely, incisive ball. It's a terrific save, having not had much to do.
Great concentration, nothing to do, and then that. Brilliant.
They take it short. Looking for someone at the front post here. But that hasn't worked as planned, claimed by the keeper. Closed it down well.
Tu vois, tac. Direct.
And trying his luck.
Ah bien joué.
And another goal. It seemed all over before, but there's another to really seal it. So another kick-off after another goal, and it's surely over now. Not prepared to give the ball up easily. Well, he went for power and got plenty of it, but it's whistled wide. And he gets it clear.
Well, he's certainly given his team time to reorganise here.
Really good pass. And that took a deflection.
Est-ce
Corner
que,
now.
dans ce match que je suis en train de proposer,
Here it comes. And that's far too close to the keeper. And the forward progress continues.
non mais putain, lâche la
And the
balle là.
defense regains control. That looks decent, making progress here. And it's nicely stopped and held by the keeper. So that will do it. A disappointing result, whichever way you slice it. Your thoughts on that performance?
Non, ce que j'ai proposé à ce match-là, là, c'est fort. Passe des buts. Passe des buts, geste technique, défense. On est tranquille au bureau, quoi. Ouais, tu rejoues pas ou... Moi, j'ai toujours joué aux deux. Moi, j'ai toujours joué PES FIFA. Même quand c'était claqué FIFA, je jouais à FIFA quand même. Je joue toujours deux. C'est pour ça que moi, quand je joue à FIFA, je joue avec les touches FIFA, je joue pas avec les touches carré, je tire, je tire avec les touches FIFA. Vas-y, Steve. Ah, tu vas à la salle, j'avoue, mais moi, faut que j'aille bientôt. Là. J'ai jamais rien dit. Bon, ça va. Ok. Envoyé. Oh. Oh. Je vois pas le lien. Juste quand on fait bref. FIFA 13,
The stage is set for an exciting clash today. A match with so much
J'ai
to
pas de
play
FIFA
for.
préféré.
The tension is mounting and the
Ah, il y a une
atmosphere
fille
is
des trucs.
electric. Who will come out on top? Stay with us for all the action live on EA TV. A warm welcome to the Metropolitano in Las Rosas, Madrid. I'm Guy Mowbray, and it's a pleasure to be joined by Stuart Robson in the commentary box. And everything is set up nicely to give us a really good match. What are your
Yes.
expectations from this?
Yes, thanks as
Oh, je sens
always.
que leur goal,
We've
c'est un
got two
troll.
good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Ok.
And that's where it ends.
Well, they've defended that really well. They look very organised there.
Good ball, decent looking attack this. Flag up here, offside.
Alors je... Putain. Je pensais tellement que la passe était propre là, je m'étais déjà... J'étais déjà en mode attaque.
There's good width to this attack now. Decent delivery.
Ah putain, qu'est-ce que ça se passe de merde.
Intercepted, great reading of the game. And the cross comes in. And it's ended up in the safe hands of the goalkeeper. Oh, brilliant anticipation. That has gone out. It'll be a throw.
Le plus chaud, je sais pas frère. Je pense que le 19 peut-être. Non, peut-être 18-19.
Chance to move inside. Had to stretch for it, but did enough to tip it over. And the corner is fired in.
Ouais, je vais me mettre faire. Pardon, non putain.
Oh, what a chance!
Oh putain, pardon.
It's in. Deadlock broken. And just how crucial could that prove to be?
Non, j'aime pas quand tu le passes avec R1, il met trop de temps.
1-0 as the game restarts.
Il met trop de temps.
Just a little out with the pass.
Ah,
It's
c'est
gone out for a
passé.
throw.
Il se replace en marchant.
There's a sense of real urgency to this attack. Just needs the composure now.
Oh, la
Oh,
folie.
fantastic save!
Yeah, made himself big and won the mind games. Excellent save.
And it's a short corner. Could be setting something now. Great interception.
That really was an important bit of play.
Oh, sa mère, putain. Il n'y a rien à voir, j'ai découvert que dans FIFA, il y avait des nouveaux styles de passe. Faut que je teste. Faut que je teste. Genre, je sais pas, passe, machin
Setting up
chouette
the
et tout.
chance.
Moi, je suis encore à l'ancienne. Moi, ça fait 4 ans que j'avais pas joué à FIFA.
Force any sort of save.
Yeah, it was close, but the keeper would have saved that had it been on target.
Non, elle est en train que je suis pas sûr. Parce que la balle, elle serait ralentie. Et Attends. Voilà. Il est en train que je... Merci, dommage pour le sub.
And the attack
Le 1
collapses.
triangle, ils auraient pu se replacer et tout. Je pense pas que c'était le plus optique dans cette façon.
Now, what can they do from here? Well, he got his head to it, but not the right part of the head, it seems. It's a bad miss. Closed it down well. Oh, look at this. Away they go on the counter. Can they take advantage? And it's on here. A vital block.
Well, not only was that brave, it was brilliant anticipation.
And able to come away with the ball.
Oh, vas-y.
Opportunity here. In it goes. Level once again. What a game this is turning out to be.
Il est horrible, son perso.
And the game restarts with the score 1-1.
Putain, frère, fais des... Putain, des fois, on dirait qu'on joue avec des imbéciles.
And there's the whistle, and that will do it for the first
Non,
half
non,
here
je vais
in
acheter un
Madrid.
pote. Allez, là. Oh, bah putain, j'en profiter.
The whistle goes, and it's time for the second act. And the
Allez.
forward progress continues with a
Bien joué.
good ball.
Ah, dommage.
Goal bound at first, but it's ended
Un
up in the
truc à faire.
crowd.
Non, mais putain. En fait, c'est ça le problème. C'est... Là, on a fait d'avoir de la chance. Mais les gens, je sais pas pourquoi, ils ont une maladie du tout le temps. Elle a un triangle, elle a un triangle. Eh, dans certaines situations, ça marche pas, frère. Oh merde, putain. Il m'a donné quand même là-dedans. En fait, au moment, je pensais pas qu'il allait me la donner aussi vite. Et j'avais le doigt sur triangle.
Now, this might be promising. And the goalkeeper gathers the ball in easily. Looking like they mean business here. Nicely played. Saw the threat and stopped it. Good cross into the middle.
Ah,
But that hasn't worked as planned. Claimed by the keeper. Pressing high and they have the ball again.
qu'est-ce que tu me racontes, frère? Le jeu, il a pas changé tant que ça, hein, frère.
Half an hour left for play.
J'ai pas touché à Club Pro pendant 3 ans, le jeu est quasiment pareil. Hein.
That will be a throw in now. Possession lost and won.
Frère,
They could get caught out
il
on
y a
the
des
break
potes qui
here.
sont dans les premières divisions, ils sont même pas forts, frère. Qu'est-ce qui te fait le plus risque, là?
And they might be in. Chance to move ahead.
Non, mais je connais le jeu, je jouais pas, mais frère, tu
Well, he
m'as
needs to
n'importe
be
quoi, là.
more aware there. He didn't work hard enough to stay onside.
Le jeu a pas changé.
Great instinct there to cut it out. Nicely played. But it was being tracked all the way.
Frérot, je vais pas être prétentieux, mais frère, je traîne avec des joueurs pros.
Brilliant.
Oh,
More of that,
c'est quoi?
please.
Mais donne.
Oh, what a wonderful bit of play that was.
Oh, top goalkeeping. Stretched everything to get there.
Il a marqué tout à l'heure, Bakugo, t'es dur.
Delivered into the box. Oh, it's a nightmare for him, that. It looked a really good chance to score. And the work pays off as they get the ball back. Real
Putain, il
chance.
est insupportable.
Trying to find the net again, but this one's saved.
Well, a movement, energy and skill are causing all sorts of problems here.
Lovely pass, the ticket to be in. And played in now. Under pressure, but the keeper's done well to defuse the situation. Now they've
Une
got
sélection pour
possession.
la
What
Côte
can they
d'Ivoire
do
sur
from
FIFA.
here?
Quelle sélection pourquoi?
Seem to have hit that really nicely, but just wide of the goal.
Putain, il est insupportable.
In the right
Pardon,
position to
Bakou.
cut out the pass.
Je vais te remettre.
Promising move this. A goal now would surely be the winner. And that is where it
Non, mais
ends.
putain.
It's all getting a bit scrappy in the
Va
middle
plus haut, va
right
plus
now.
haut.
Yeah, neither side playing with fluency at the moment.
Great chance here.
Ah non.
Oh, can you believe it?
Ils vont Nation
With
Cup.
so little time left, surely that'll
Je
be
sais
the
pas, je sais pas,
winner.
je sais pas. Faut
Stunning
juste,
scenes here.
je sais pas, je me suis pas intéressé du tout, je peux pas te dire.
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And the finish is really good. She just smashes that past the keeper. That's a top-quality goal.
Lovely weighted pass. Oh, they were getting
Tu vois
interested
que
there, but not
je
anymore.
vais dans un... Je m'enfonce dans un truc, tu me donnes la balle, frère. Des fois, wesh. Ouais, là-haut.
Lovely weighted pass.
Voilà.
Oh, they scored again. The game had only just restarted after the last one.
Non, c'est pas sur Club Pro, c'est un V1 FIFA.
Well, let's take another look. It's a really well-timed pass to break the offside line. And the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.
3 goals to 1 then as we get started again. Teeing up the chance now. Possession lost just at the point of something happening.
Oh merde.
And
Oh!
there's the final blast.
Le but de la victoire. Attends, prends un coude. Je vais voir Claude. Il est déjà 18h sa mère.
We're looking forward to a match that will give us a little bit of everything here. And you can feel the buzz in the air as the fans file into the stadium with kick-off approaching. Welcome to the Chocolate Box, more commonly known as La Bombonera. I'm Guy
Bombonera.
Mowbray, joined for commentary by Stuart Robson. And everything is set up nicely to give us a really good match. What are we going to get from this one?
Well, as always, I'm looking forward to this because both teams have strong aspects to their game. Both managers like to play attacking football, and we've got some good matchups all over the pitch.
And the tackle takes it out for a throw. Nicely played through. Someone for the team there.
Mais putain. Ah, les gars,
It's back and
oui, là.
forth, but nobody's taking charge.
Yeah, I've been really disappointed with some of the passing here.
That looks decent, making progress here. And that's been played straight into the keeper's hands.
J'aime pas les commentaires français, moi. Je gaze.
Could turn out to be a really good ball. Having a try. Ooh, got in the way of it. And it's pinched, read his mind there.
Ah, sa mère.
pass was read and the ball has changed hands. That's a lovely ball. There might be something building now.
Hors-jeu?
And that's that. The flag's up. Puts the ball into the box. And there's the opener. The all-important first goal of the game. And we're back underway at 1-0. Maybe that was purely a misconnection with the ball. Beautifully weighted ball.
Putain, frère. Eh, le mec en violet là, ouais, je suis bonjour les choix de merde.
Given away as cleverly won.
Putain.
Promising looking ball.
Chargé. Chargé.
Oh, they looked in there. That's nicely cut out. Pass as precise as they come. Now for the finish. And there's the equaliser. It's all square again. So it's 1-1 as the ball gets rolling again. Here's the switch. Nice ball. Just unable to keep it in play in the end. It'll be a throw-in. Working the ball really nicely.
Non, j'ai la flemme de foot. Foot, faut payer et tout là.
Have a go here. Oh, he caught that with everything he's got, but it's missed the target.
Moi, j'ai fait ma carrière sur foot, ça.
And the danger dealt with for now.
Well, no frills defending there. Just get the ball away from danger.
And the pass is incomplete. Nicely won. That's not a bad-looking ball. Lovely ball. This could lead to something. And he's done well there to get it to the keeper.
Oh non.
And with that, the first half comes to an end here at La Bombonera.
T'as arrêté le foot à quel cheval, le 19 ou 20, je crois.
And so the second half kicks off.
Ouais, je suis au courant, t'inquiète, je bosse dans tous ces trucs, je suis au courant de toutes les nouveautés. De foot, je joue pas. Je trouve... j'ai fait mon temps. Le jeu, il faut mettre des sous, des machins. Oh là là. Je sais pas, Oh, dommage. Non, je joue plus.
Close quarters.
Yeah, that's goalkeeping at its very best. So quick to react there.
There's nothing doing with that delivery. Having a look.
Ah, ça
and that is a top quality save. It's played in now. Or maybe he was distracted, but that's a miss.
Yeah, that was a good contest in the air. The defender just about did enough, though.
Really nicely played. What can they do with this now?
Mais wesh!
Well, the visitors have had most of the ball in the last 15 minutes. They're creating plenty of chances and looking a constant threat. You feel they have to take the lead at some point with this sort of domination.
Well, they have a bit of defending to do here. Well, look at the room they've got to attack now. Oh, real opportunity. Penalty given. Can they take the chance to lead?
Je vais encore changer la destinée du match. Ah ouais.
To put them in front. Scores. The
que j'avais
penalty
raté.
officially put away.
Eh, j'ai cru que j'avais raté. Tu m'as donné chaud. Tu sais que j'ai cru que j'avais raté.
Well, he sees the keeper going a fraction early and just strokes it into the other side. Nice finish.
So it's 2-1 as the ball gets rolling again.
Eh, le mec avec le curseur violet, comment il m'énerve.
Good work to recover possession. A chance now for a quick transition. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Lovely weighted pass. And it's opened up. And they've scored. Second best no longer. It's level again.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
Terrific chance. Oh, he caught that with everything he's got. But it's
Voilà, on
missed
peut
the
pas lui en
target.
vouloir. C'est dur de. Des fois, tu rates. C'est comme ça.
Ball safely cleared. Oh, nice vision in that pass.
Oh là là, putain, premier penalty, il est seul.
And that's really useful defending.
That was certainly looking dangerous, wasn't it?
Could be a chance to break here. To take the lead.
Oh,
Stop
sa
to deny a
mère.
breakaway goal. Or maybe an opportunity to get their noses in front with this corner. Cleared, but not far enough. Cross deep towards the back post.
Ah, dommage.
Oh, it
C'était bien vu,
was a
ça.
wonderful chance, but he went to whack it rather than place it. It's more or less next goal wins time. Could this be it? Oh, chance! Oh, what a time to score! A goal to surely win the game.
Well, as
Non,
you
ça
can
joue,
see,
ça joue,
his
ça joue.
movement is really good, which then makes the finish look easy. That's a decent goal, that's for sure.
And able to come away with the ball. Could turn out to be a really good ball. Big chance. And there's the hat-trick. He'll be taking the match ball home.
Well, just look at this. It's a good finish and reward for their pressure. They really have controlled this game.
Intercepted. Great reading of the game. So into the final 5 minutes. Oh, he's done well to get past his man. Well, he wouldn't let him get away that easily. He might get caught on the break here. And played in now. But it's in at the second time of asking. Where was his defence? That is inexcusable.
Inexcusable.
So it's 5-2 now as the game restarts. Allowed to go a long way with this. And it's on now.
Oh, dommage. Oh, ce que j'avais.
Will do it. A disappointing result.
Ah, il est où le ballon? Oh là 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 là. Triplé. T'es pas content? Triplé. Vous êtes bon? Vous êtes bon. Attends, je vais voir ce qu'il dit. Non, viens. C'est quoi ton idée, là? Non, je t'ai pas dit non, frère, je suis pas vu, frère. Viens. Dis ça, les mecs, triplé! Putain, faut que j'aille à la salle. Faut que j'aille à la salle voir la Champions League. Ah, vas-y, c'est ma dernière game, faut que j'aille à la salle. Faut que j'aille pousser 10 fois... Faire des séries de 15 à 130. C'est ça, prépare-moi. Non, je pense que les gens abusent. Ce sera pas si horrible que ça. T'as trop la flemme, allez, lève-toi. Vous êtes bon? Vous êtes bon? Vous êtes bon?
We're looking forward to a match that will give us a little bit of everything here. And you can feel the buzz in the air as the fans file into the stadium with kick-off approaching. Well, a very warm welcome to all joining us at Anfield. I'm your commentator, Guy Mowbray, delighted to be in the company of Stuart Robson. And everything is
les mecs, je suis pas mauvais, hein, ça va.
Really good match.
L'ancien, il est là.
What are your expectations from this?
Ouais,
Put into the middle.
L'ancien, il est là pour mettre les coups.
Well, that's how to clear the danger. Good piece of defending there.
Ah merde, voilà, je me suis vanté. Mais attends, il y a des trucs qui fonctionnent plus. Attends, faut que je retaffe.
Beautifully weighted ball.
Il y a des petits trucs, faut que je retaffe.
Having a try. And a superb block.
Putain.
Read the pass well and cuts it out. Promising looking ball. What can they do from here? Oh, offside. A really tight one.
Well, it's a matter of inches there, but he just went a fraction too early.
Has to turn them around. And there won't be any rebounds there.
Eh, frère, arrête de faire des dégagements comme ça, on perd la balle direct. Mais il est bête, lui, putain.
Oh, good vision. Taken without any trouble.
S'il te plaît, voilà, juste sur le côté.
Teeing up the chance now.
Ah, ça merde.
Oh, brilliant anticipation. Moving the ball forward. What can they do with this? For the lead here.
Mais non, mais donne-la moi, putain!
Well, that's what you want from your keeper. Stop.
Frère, je suis pour une penalty, tu tires dans un angle impossible.
Is fired in. And a nervy clearance, still pressure. A vital
Putain.
block.
Il me l'a remis pour un penalty, c'est fini, frère.
And they've gone with a short one. Played in with that.
Mais non! Ah, je te pas penalty. Oh.
Well, that's how to deal with it. Nicely gathered.
Ah, c'était un bot? Ok. Bon, autant pour moi.
Showing good wit with this attack. Well, it looked promising, but only up to a point. And that, to me, looked a nasty one. But what does the ref think? Perfectly anticipated. Really well won.
Well, the visitors very much dictating the tempo over the last 15 minutes or so. They're creating plenty of chances and looking a constant threat. You feel they have to take the lead at some point with this sort of domination.
Putain.
Good strong tackle. It'll be a throw-in.
Non, putain. En fait, j'ai voulu tempo pour que lui, là, juste à côté de moi, il avance, mais il a pas bougé, frère. Au final, on n'a pas compris.
Threads it through, and it's comfortably gathered.
Regardez ça, c'est pour lui.
Oh, it's a
C'est pour lui.
belter of a ball.
Ah là là.
And the whistle goes. Free kick awarded. Oh, that's really well cut out.
Allez, vas-y, ça part.
That's a lovely ball. There might be something building now.
Ah, dommage.
A little sloppy on the ball there. Might get caught on the break here. And stopped in their tracks with a change in possession. Could be setting
C'est pour toi,
something
tu
now.
pars seul. Ah, dommage. Ah,
Not so
l'ordi, il
much
m'a fait
given
quoi, là?
away as cleverly won.
Dommage.
Well, that will do it for the first
Ouais,
half
des vrais joueurs
here
et
at
des bots.
Anfield.
Non, t'inquiète, t'inquiète, ça va, on a tous une mi-temps vite fait. Il a dit ma mi-temps, vous êtes bon?
And so the action resumes. Will we see goals in this second half?
C'est pour toi.
Chance to move ahead.
Non, frère, t'as vendu la peur, fallait frapper.
Great tackle, goal saver.
Well, I think that's just stopped a certain
T'as
goal
vendu la
there.
peur. Ah putain, c'est l'ordi qui a la balle.
It's played into the box. It's a big, big miss, but it wouldn't have counted.
Well, it wouldn't have counted anyway. He was offside, but nonetheless, that was a poor attempt.
Putain, c'est l'ordi encore.
That's not a bad-looking ball. And away from danger it goes. This could get interesting.
Bien joué.
Genuine chance here. No, that's superb from the defender. Well, let's get down to Jeff Shreves now. Jeff, what's the update on that injury?
He keeps looking down and feeling his foot, so that's obviously the problem. And I
Juste
think it
pour les
depends
cheveux de
on that
derrière,
last
mais devant,
challenge.
c'est mes vrais cheveux.
Cheers, Jeff.
Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y.
Booked already, and the second card must be coming.
The second card must be coming. Carton rouge, alors. Ah, dommage.
Some good work to win it
Je vais
there.
pas le tenter, hein.
Beautifully weighted ball. Real chance. And that's a solid stop. Out of harm's way it goes. And there's the benefit of working to win the ball. Oh, that's brilliant. Super sharp reactions. And they've gone with a short one. And that has been flagged for offside.
Well, he needed to look elsewhere because the flag was always going to go up.
To edge ahead
Oh,
now.
touché.
Can't
Oh, la
miss.
sortie,
It's there! This really is amazing. They've lost a player, but they're leading the game.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And then we see what a good finisher he really is. He just rounds the keeper and passes it into the net. He's so calm under pressure.
Plenty of space to attack now. Still problems for them here. And the defence ready for what was coming. Setting up the chance.
Ouais, le curseur rouge là, il m'ennuie. Hein. Oh vas-y, c'est pour toi. Dommage. Bien joué. Il n'y a pas trop de solutions en plus. Hein. Dommage.
Oh, what a chance! Taken cleanly and held on to. And a real sense of urgency here. Could they equalise from this?
Mais dans ma course, il est sur moi. Allez.
The pass is incomplete. Nicely won. Oh, could be here.
Oh, là, c'est un traître.
A bit too eager there. Free kick given.
Faut pour eux. Ok. Bien joué.
Oh, it's in.
Vous êtes bon. Vous êtes bon. Vous êtes bon. Vous êtes bon.
Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he's
ouais, le
still
curseur
had
rouge,
some
c'est
work
énorme.
to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
Vous êtes bon. Vous êtes bon.
And he's pinged a beauty. Oh, that's brilliant. Read the pass superbly.
Well, I think that's a goal-saving
Ah putain,
intervention
j'étais parti.
there.
That's a perfect threaded through ball. Now it's on for them. And they've
Ah, pardon, Yas.
Oh,
ah oui.
Can you believe it? With so little time left, surely that's
Vous êtes
the
bon.
winner.
Vous êtes bon.
Well, as you can see, he has to get rid of that quicker. That's a poor mistake from the keeper.
So off we go at 2-1 now.
Oh,
That will do it.
vous êtes bon.
Pointing result, whichever way you slice it. Your thoughts on that performance?
It was a tight game between two very good sides, but they lost concentration late on, and it's cost them dearly. They'll need to get over that quickly.
Vous êtes bon. Vous êtes bon. Tranquille. Yas, je trouve que tu rappes bien. Vous êtes bon? Eh vas-y, ça me casse les couilles les mecs qu'on rajoute et qui mettent... Non, bien joué, bien joué. Non, bien joué. Mais le curseur rouge, waouh. Ce que le curseur rouge a proposé, waouh. Et il voulait notre mal.
pen and my vision, I jotted and plotted my plans. I seen it materialize, and now I'm the one in demand. It's game over as soon as I launch. Let me land, let me land. My first fee was a fiver, now I'm the main headliner. You don't see man's name on the flyer, swear your promoter's tired. You wanna shut down.
Two sides are primed to give it their all in what promises to be 90 minutes of relentless end-to-end action. We should
Jean-Claude,
be
t'as de
in
quoi
for a
prendre un bon
cracker.
consommable. Ouais, je vais faire ça.
Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray with the former Arsenal and West Ham midfielder
Putain, il est
Stuart
encore là, le
Robson
curseur de tout à l'heure,
alongside
là.
me. And hopefully we've got some goals and drama on the way. What are your expectations from this?
As is always the case, the team that dominates midfield
Tu vois,
will be
il a
the
fait un
team
mauvais
that
appel.
controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Plays it into the area now. And that was a good header and a good save as well. Now what can they do from the corner? And he got his head to it, but has missed horribly. Poor effort.
Ah, dommage. L'idée était bonne. C'est dommage que ça soit pas passé parce que...
And a change in possession.
Yeah, they really did look solid on that occasion. Really good defending.
Puts the ball into the box. And there it comes to an end. That's a good pass. And it must be.
Oh, dommage.
Did what was
Dommage. Dommage. Ça m'a plu.
Something different from the corner. And the cross sails over everyone in the middle. And she's got that away. The throw-in is one of the basics of the game. That's poor. Finding the spaces, looking good.
Oh! Non, il doit te la donner! Putain! Il doit la donner à Ayas, là!
Played into the box.
C'est un con!
Just cleared the bar.
Yeah, attacks it really well. Just not the accuracy.
This
Aïe,
could
en
get
jeu,
interesting. But they can't go any further here. Offside. Intercepted. Great reading of the game.
He made it look easy, didn't he?
Oh, good
J'ai même pas
defending.
demandé la
Just
balle,
when it
il
was
m'a
looking
donné.
threatening. Going up through the gears now. But able to deal with the danger decisively. Well defended.
Wesh. Eh, il fait que des appels de merde, le curseur truc, là. Faut le dégager.
You sense it's inevitable the goal will come. It'll be certainly no less than they deserve. They just need to be a bit more clinical in that final third now.
But they might just have a bit of work to do now. And that's good goalkeeping in a difficult situation. And they've come away with the ball. Having a try. And that was passed towards the goal, but it's wide of the target.
Allez, on va faire quoi? Ça va, il fait une passe directe. Oula.
And the pass is incomplete. Nicely won. The anticipation
Aye.
rising with this move. And the attack is over. Really good defending. Promising looking ball. The
Qu'est-ce qu'il a
defence
voulu
quick
faire?
to snatch it back.
Well, that's a good turnover, isn't it?
Oh, who wants
Eh, le
that
jeu là, il
one?
rend fou. Hein.
Now it's on for them. A heroic stop. Teeing up the chance now. Oh, yes, please. There aren't many who'd even try that. And
Dommage.
now they've lost it. Good reading
Oh.
of the game. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close.
Le curseur violet, waouh. On a un peu la flemme. Hein. Ouais, les deux mecs sont avec nous, c'est pas ça. Ils ont. En fait, ils aiment trop jouer, se projeter trop vite. Ils perdent la balle trop vite et tout. Voilà, une équipe, nous, déjà.
Back underway for the second half, and still a question of who blinks first. And that's where it ends,
Oh.
with possession lost. Going for it. Oh, got in the way of it.
Well, that's why he's so highly rated.
The counter looks on here, options available.
Ah,
And the
putain.
promise of something happening is
Oh,
over.
je vais aller.
Well read to gain possession. Threads it through. Oh, real opportunity. It's in. 1-0. And that
Vous avez vu les
could
mecs,
change the
ça part de
shape
ma
of the
passe.
game.
Oui, oui.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the
Derrière,
ball
regarde,
back.
c'est le taf.
Once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper.
Ah, bah,
with
reste,
great
pas comment
technique.
ça.
What an emphatic finish that is.
An attack that's come to nothing. Time for some positive wing play now. Oh, a great chance. And that
Ah,
has
il y a
been
marqué.
adjudged to be offside. Intercepted with ease.
Yeah, they can't afford to give the ball away so cheaply.
That's crossed the line. It'll be a throw. Making decent progress here.
Ah.
Lost and gratefully received.
Ah, je dis frise bizarre là.
This could be dangerous. And it's
Ah, il y a
been
un joueur
given
qui-
as offside. This could be threatening. And that's safe and secure goalkeeping.
Ah merde, ouais, j'ai cru que ça avait. Elle était toujours sur toi. Au dernier moment, je vois.
Just a little untidy. A good job done to keep it. Well, this is a bit of a
Dommage,
scramble.
dommage. Non,
Well, I
c'est
have
trop
to
dur.
say, I've seen both these teams pass it better.
Oh, takes it on. And the goalkeeper has that and keeps it in his grasp. The referee playing advantage. Turning the defence around. Played in with that. Taking this on. And it's
Encore
being
lui.
kept out to keep them in the contest.
Well, it's a good save at just the right time, but they have to get the ball forward quickly here.
Well, danger averted, but it will be another corner. They decide against putting it in. And it's not clear yet. Terrific block again. Well, it only takes a second to score a goal, and there are still 5 minutes to go.
Well, the hosts have had so much of the ball in the last 15 minutes, and you sense another goal is coming. They are really looking to finish it off now.
Passe vraiment.
Worked out, easily gathered by the keeper.
Elle a fait une passe en profondeur dans la surface. C'est du jamais vu.
Not so much given away as cleverly won.
Tu vois, ça c'est regarde. Ça c'est pour toi, Bakugo. Tu vois, Bakugo direct. Bakugo direct. Regarde, tu me donnes un ballon, je te fais marquer moi. Direct. Tiens, on fait croquer les petits du quartier, nous. On fait croquer les petits du quartier. Regarde, clac, clac. Fais croquer les petits du Tchekson. Tu me donnes, moi je t'envoie direct. Il n'y a pas de 15 touches.
Promising looking ball. Big chance. And the game comes to an end.
Tu vois, direct. Tu me demandes, je te mets.
They were dominant in most aspects of the game, particularly in that midfield area, and they also looked threatening in the top third of the pitch. It's a really good result for them.
Tac, tac, petite passe, tranquille. Eh mais je gagne plus beaucoup de points là, c'est comment là? Vas-y, dernier match, après je bouge à la salle. Faut mettre des boosts de XP, ok. Je savais pas. Merci Yos. Comme dirait Walid Acharchour, on te prête une voiture, tu la rends avec le plein. Exactement. J'adore. Moi, Walid Acharchour, j'ai une take. Enfin une take, j'ai une anecdote. Il y a 7 ans, je travaillais chez Winamax et lui aussi. Et je lui disais, hey, toi, je suis sûr, dans quelques années, tu seras dans l'after-foot. Et il me disait, ouais, bah j'espère. Hein. Il a fini dans l'after-foot. Encore un mec dont j'avais la vision. Il avait encore des cheveux à l'époque. Walid, il avait encore des cheveux. Attends, il y a de la place où? Il a vu.
Edging ever closer to goal here. But not the end result they wanted from an encouraging position.
Ah mais pourquoi il s'arrête lui? Putain.
But it's not found its target, intercepted. And they've got it back now.
Aux spectateurs qui aimeraient se rendre au stade en utilisant les transports en commun, je rappelle que des bus spéciaux dont certains seront gratuits à certaines heures seront...
On he goes, terrific. But that's where he loses it, a timely intervention. And they might be in. That will keep the attack moving nicely.
Tu sais que je pense que si j'avais pas pensé être hors jeu, j'aurais géré l'action autrement. J'aurais clairement géré l'action autrement.
ball square. Can they make this pressure count?
Non, ah putain, t'as été gourmand là.
No chance of getting through on that occasion, was there?
And the ref blows for a
serait chaud,
foul.
quoi.
Free kick awarded. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. Oh, it's been cut out. It's in, and it was always going to go in with nobody in the way.
Pourquoi t'as appelé Doncic? T'es un fou, toi.
What was he thinking? Too slow, too ponderous, and it's cost them a goal here.
Encouraging signs to the attack, but it hasn't led to anything.
Yeah, just snuffed out the danger there. That's a good turnover.
And that's the perfect way to protect the ball. Now, this has to be. Oh, superb save. He's done so well to keep that out. And over the touchline it goes. It'll be a throw-in now. Oh, that's really well cut out. Having a try. That's a decent bit of goalkeeping.
Moi, je t'ai gesté.
Into the box it goes. Punched away, clear for now.
Qu'est-ce qu'il va faire?
Not so much given away as cleverly won.
Bon, il a tenté. Tu sais, je peux pas le critiquer parce qu'en vrai, c'était la bonne idée, mais des fois, c'est chaud, genre de passe. Je peux pas le critiquer.
Excellent progress and it continues.
En vrai, je suis mauvais.
And with that, the first half in Marseille comes to an end.
Wow. Non, mais après, moi, je connais déjà les nouveaux, les dribbles du jeune. Faut que tu t'entraînes, de Bakugo. Juste, j'ai la flemme de les utiliser. Dans ça, j'ai pas les bonnes situations, mais il y a les nouveaux trucs.
The action resumes. Let's see what this half brings.
Merci pour le sub, Taldix.
Beautifully weighted ball. The ball given away. Promising looking ball. Just
Oh
needs the
no.
composure now. Well, some pressure on, but it's gone now.
Oh, l'effet d'optique.
Now this could lead to something.
Oh.
And a firm contact. Chance to level it up now from the corner.
Oh, tu vas. Vas-y, seul. Vas-y, seul. Vas-y, seul.
It's there, and it's a
Voilà.
goal. That's a real settler for them. Two in front now.
Doncic.
2-0 then, as we get started again.
Wesh, 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 wesh,
And
wesh.
it's opened up. They might get another go here. Well, in that sort of position, you simply have to get it closer than he did there.
Well, there's the stats, and it's clear where the problem is. Their finishing just hasn't been good enough today. Other things certainly haven't been right, but unless you take your chances, you're always going to struggle. And I don't think there's a way back for them now.
And it's on now.
Pardon.
A turnaround in possession. Excellent positioning. Lovely ball. This could lead to something. And that one is got away.
Ouais, il monte le format. Si, j'ai vu.
A good spell of patient possession. And for all the keeping of the ball, they've gone nowhere.
Dommage.
Switched on and ready to intercept there. What a chance here. And they're 3 in front now. What a performance this has been so far.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
Here's the switch. Nice ball. Could turn out to be a really good ball. What a terrific effort. That would have been special.
Well, that's a big chance. Yes, it's on the volley, but I think he should score there.
And we're
Ah,
inside
ok, il a
the
marqué
final
le
15
curseur
minutes.
rouge, mais qu'est-ce qui casse les couilles?
Oh, that's really well cut out. This could be dangerous. And the attack collapses. Promising position, this. Out it goes. Corner coming.
Kinda coming. Ah putain, je peux pas vite me retourner. Bakugo, pardon.
Oh,
C'est
good
pour toi, ça.
strike! Well, from so far out, it didn't appear to be the best option. Close, though.
Well, it surprised everybody, including me, but it's a decent strike, you have to say.
Now, this could be costly. And still up for grabs. Oh, they've scored now. And you have to feel for the goalkeeper. Having to keep them out single-handedly. Where were the defenders? Now, what can they do from here? Out it goes. Corner coming. Laid into the box. This could get interesting.
Pas vrai?
They're in here. Oh, what a goal. That is truly special. That's a quite incredible hit. And that's the final whistle. A positive result, at least as far as the home fans are concerned. What did you make of their performance?
They didn't dominate the game by any means today, but overall...
Bien joué, bon, vas-y les mecs. Petite session Club Pro, c'était cool. Mais il va falloir que j'aille... Je vais... Attends. Vas-y mec, je vais bouger. Je reviens... Ah, peut-être après la Champions League, qui sait? Qui sait? Après la Champions League, peut-être que je reviens. Attendez, je vais être... Je verrai Daisho Speed. Non, je rigole, le mec, le gros ce soir. Ah, tiens, il y a Mysteka qui stream. Lourd. Ah, mais je stream pas du FIFA, putain. Je verrai June. Vas-y. Oh, non, attends, je verrai qui. Je verrai de ma thème, il stream du FIFA. Vas-y les mecs. Je vais à la salle. Salut Sininho. Oh putain. Vas-y mec.